Right, you boys back. Today's absolute scorching. Hey boys, how you doing? It's Willie Carp, hey up, how you doing? Little energetic lad there. Anyway, we're in the middle of Ayutthaya still. And check out the view. Absolutely beautiful. I've just spent a couple of days just checking out the temples and that. And but today, something a little bit different. I'm going to see how the locals live. The centre's just about that way, just a couple of kilometres. We're heading yonder. I'm going to have a ride around the little small villages around the outskirts and let's check out what we can see. The bike's running. A little bit rough, I must admit. I need a bit of an oil change, but we'll get on to that. I've been into a couple of garages while I've been here, but they won't change the oil. But we'd hold, there's oil inside, so what I'll do is, she's ready to go. I think next province is probably some 45. And we're heading south, ready towards the beaches, towards the islands. I've just rode every single province in northern Thailand. I've just rode all the way across the east and rode all across central Thailand. I've done about 9,200 kilometres, and now's the time we're going to hit the south. My goal was only 45 provinces in total, and the next province is another 45. I think we're going to be visiting 60 or 65 provinces instead. Well, lo and behold, we'll check out the view of Ayutthaya. We're not going that way, we're going this way. Let's check out, see where the locals live. Let's grab some scran. I'm absolutely bloody ain't mardy. Right, we made it. If you watched a little bit earlier in the video, when I went to see that face in the tree, the buddy, we've just crossed the other side of the road over here. Let's check out the market. Plenty of mystery meats. It seems like there's a lot of dried fish here as well. But we'll have a look cruise through first before I commit. I like weighing up the options. A lot more dried fish. Got loads of mystery meats, grilled meats. Well, I'm not going to jump the gun, but this is where I come yet last night. Had pork leg and absolutely delicious. Some more mystery meats. A bit more of the grilled fish. A bit too dry for my liking. I like a nice big chicken leg or a nice big juicy piece of pork. Oh, the donuts, yeah. I just grabbed a bit of chicken versus sticky rice, but there's the little restaurants at the back. This you get sells a table at the back. Yeah, cheers, I'll take the back, cheers. See what you got. I'm going to go for the stewed chicken drumstick, 50 baht. $35. Right, go for the stewed chicken leg. Stewed chicken leg and we go for the noodles with the chicken and the pork. 70 baht. I'll have the stewed chicken drumstick.
Chicken one.
Yeah.
Yes. And
then I'll have the yeah.
Okay. 70.
Yeah.
Okay.
And can a bottle of water.
Water.
Yeah,
one.
Yeah.
Okay. จำได้แล้วเมื่อวาน3 อย่าง
Oh, so I'll have 2 water. 2 some water.
Water 2.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you.
น้ำเปล่า2 ขวด 3 กลาง 3 ในได้มีน้ำกลางได้ครับแล้วเราช่วยได้ครับ2 อย่าง
We've gone for it. Noodles, nam tok. And stewed drumstick with rice. Right, I'm going to get me a drink and I'll tell you how good it is in a minute. Go see that chicken rice is absolutely beautiful. The meat on the chicken drumstick that bounce straight off the bone. We've had some kind of like sweet kind of sauce with it. It's absolutely beautiful with the rice, nice and savoury. Now we'll check out the noodles. I've got a chicken leg in there, chicken drumstick, the pork, fried pork meatballs with some Italian noodles. Yeah, even this, the broth in this is pretty sweet as well. I've just actually put a little bit of vinegar and chilli in there, just so you taste the sweetness of it. Those noodles go, the broth is really rich. And it's all for 40 baht. Ah, check out the noodles. A chicken drumstick. Meat's just falling off the bone. chicken meatballs, pork, fried pork, fish, family noodles, greens. Absolutely delicious. Still having lunch there. That's like you just go up over there for 10 minutes. Right, chicken drumstick, rice, and the noodles, 2 bottles of water, 150 baht, about £3. Absolutely bargain. Now I've got to find out where the rider's hidden amongst the other 5,000 baht that have pulled up here. And I've got a little snack for later, but let's try to find the ride in the many bikes. Yeah, tonight I'm going to go back the little Thai wooden house at the riverside. Absolutely amazing little place to stay. 400 baht a night. Absolutely bargain. But where is the ride? I've never seen it. The ride is ready to get on. Tomorrow's adventure, I'm going to take you a bit around Ayutthaya. I'm only here one more day tomorrow. And it's been absolutely brilliant here. Mustard bit. But next to province, I'm going to do a little bit more digging, a bit more research, so we can make the most of the rest of the. I think I'm going to visit another 20 odd provinces altogether. I think I'm going to visit about 65 provinces all in all. This is probably number 44. We're distance wise, we've probably still got another 5,000 kilometres to go. So I'm going to go back to my room, get bacoed, and have a couple of coldies, and I'll see you on tomorrow for another day in Ayutthaya.